Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication. Ready to elevate your workflow? Let's dive in. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So this is the homepage as you can see. So the first step that we have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So to get started, you have just to sign up for free. So what is Miro? Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So, firstly, you have just to click over sign up for free, or if you already have an account, you click over login and then you get started with Miro.com. So, once you click over sign up for free, you will find this page as you can see. So here we recommend using work email. It keeps work and life separate, so you have to write your email address and you click over continue with the email. Also you can use other option, which is using Google, Microsoft, and we have Slack also. And once you click over continue with email, you will find this verification. You have just to go to your email, to your Gmail, and you will find the email come from Miro. And then once you just get you confirm it, you will find it here the home page as you can see. So here we have it, Miro, and it's absolutely for free as you can see. And upgrade, it's free. And also here we have other options like if you want to search by title or topic, and here we have home, recent, start as you can see. And also we have other things like here we have the boards in the teams. We have here the blank board. So this one, it looks like that. I will show you how you can get started with it. Then we have a board like flow chart, mind map. We have Kanban framework, quick retrospective, and we have intelligent templates. And once you click over explore templates, you will find this. So for example, here we have presentations and slides. For example, presentations here, you'll find this templates. And if you come back here to the top, and you'll find here slides, and this is how it looks. And here we have the template. For example, you have all template, recent, Miroverse, building and blocks, and we have a use case such as meeting and workshops, ideation and brainstorming, research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning, diagramming and mapping. We have presentations and slides. And here we have it. So we choose the one you want, and then you get started with the board that you want. So if you click over create new, also we have your board, space, import. So we have import backup, and we have here explore templates, explore Miroverse. Then let's click over blackboard to just discover how it looks. So this is it as you can see. So firstly, you have just to add a title here like that. For example, I will write test, and here we have title. Then we have here main menu in the left, in the right here of the title. So once you click over main menu, you will find here firstly the board. For example, here we have new board, make a copy, export. We have moved to start this board. If you want to delete also the background color, for example, choose here this one, or black. We have dark gray, and we have gray, and we have light gray, and we have light purple, we have light violet, and we have light pink. So we choose the one you want. So I just like this one. So this one is it's more better. So then we have here other options like other space here, as you can see. And you have here also background, start view, history, details. Then if we come back here and we choose edit, you'll find here endo, redo. So you can just click over control correct, and we have here comments. You have just to click over control K, and we have here find you click over control F. So let's give it a try. For example, control K, you will find this. For example, here we have a search for timer, frame, mind map, tables, diagramming, shapes, stickers, emoji, and gifs. We have templates, save as PDF, sticky note also. Then if we click over control, so I forget what is it. So let's come back and we have here edit and control F. So if you click over control F, you search about the content that you want, and you can also click over here to choose the one you want, for example here. So I will show you all these things. Then we have also view. As you can see, we have grid collaborator cursor. You can just switch on or switch off the one you want. Then we have preferences. As you can see, we have change to interactive display, and this is it. Also here we have here, if you want to zoom in, as you can see, if you want to zoom out, I think it's more better this one. Then you have frames and layers. For example, if you click over frames, you have to prepare presentation, add frames, or to organize and present your boards, you have just to click over create frames. Then we have other option, which is layers, and we will have organize your work with layers, add layers to arrange, hide and lock content on top of the default layer. Also we have here facilitation tools and reactions, like we have here pivot mode, note, timer, voting also. Then we have here activity, like comment, recording also, and you click over record auto track. Then we have here team, as you can see. Then we have here other things like note, as you can see, to-do list, meeting agenda, and we have here project summary, workshop notes, board invitation. Then we have here type to format, and you can also export if you want. Then you have here if you want to transform it important or rectangle. Then we have here activity and also timer here. You can just click over upgrade and you get started with that. Then we have here voting also, as you can see, and this is it. Here we have present board, we have present entire board, talk track, we have create board recording, and then you click over shared with this is a streams. Here we have create with EA. So you have just, for example, select if you want a stick note, document, image, and diagram. So for example, sticky note, you will find here ideas, user stories, pinpoints, how might we, and then we have here documents like retrospective, summary, product, brief. Then we have here research, sentences, and we have meeting notes. Then we have here image like illustration, flat design, low poly, comic, and 3D render. Then we have a diagram like flowchart, mind map, diagram, UML sequence, and we have UML class. Then we have here templates, as you can see. Then we have also here sticky note like this one, so you choose the one you want. So for example, I'll select this one, I'll put it here like that, and you modify it here all such as font style and the size, font style also here, alignment, insert link, and fill color. Then we have show author, we have here add tag, add emoji, and we have cluster object also, comment, look, and we have Miro, and we have more ease also. Then we have here text, shapes also. For example, I will add this one, and I will just select the color and the type and other options here. Then we have also here note. For example, if I want a to-do list, meeting agenda, project summary, workshop notes, board annotation. Then if you want to come back, you click over here and we come back, and this is how it looks firstly. And this is endo, then we have redo. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.